Okay, so yeah, this is my video on it. But doing your video thing about all your tips. Um so I think what did I start with? I think I did do this first. I dragged it out. Still is that. I close it. I can still use the console normally. And then I bring it back and it's still like that. And this I don't know about why that, but it's still like that. And I have no idea. So I think I do the auto high engine window. It pops up like this, and it kind of makes it worse. I don't think, no, it doesn't, but it doesn't fix it that way either. And then I put it back, and it's still there. Even if I turn it off, as you notice, it still embeds. It's kind of dumb. Uh, and then I started to, close out of everything. Close out entirely, and then get back. I just do this return default layout, and it's still like that. And as you see that, you see, it's supposed it. You know how it says it's embedded. I can still chat because I'm not in full screen mode, but I don't understand. It's kind of odd. It's kind of, I don't even know how to put it, but I just don't understand. I mean, I'm gonna try something else. Let me test them real quick. So I also deleted Source Filmmaker entirely last night, and then I installed it while I was at school, while my computer was still on. So yeah, so I went to where is it, all software, and then I went to and I did it that way. But still, when I opened it, it had the same settings and stuff like that. I mean, it had different settings the default, but it still had that embedded screen. And sorry about this, but yeah, I don't get it. And sometimes when I close the console and I start back again, it changes to like, I think, I don't know how to put it. Like I'll just show you. I think if I close all these windows and then I do it by each, so I just like, I do it like that, and then clip editor. No, I'm not gonna do that yet. Let me close that. Like I do the primary viewpoint, and then I do the second, no, the secondary, the console. It changes to like, the name changes to something else. I forgot what it was. I think if I just, but it was like, instead of console, it'd be primary viewpoint as well. I have no idea why, but yeah, and it still does that even when. So I just try something else. I personally think it could be a problem with like a source game that's conflicting with source filmmaker, but I don't really think that's the main problem. It could be something totally different. So I even tried the other guy's thing. I think that's what he said, to do this progressive refinement, I think, and it still does that. Really annoying. I need to check my microphone settings 1 second. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, but yeah, it's kind of just, I don't understand. See, I'm moving my timeline. Still does that. It's very odd. And I can't click on anything in this. It just puts me back to the center of the screen. I don't get it at all. Like, I just don't get it. I mean, shouldn't this just not happen? I mean, the older version of Source Filmmaker I might download because maybe they won't have the problem again, but the newer version shouldn't do this because I'm pretty sure you're running the newest version. So yeah, I don't understand. Yeah, it's really odd. So yeah, that's about it. I have nothing else to do in your video. I don't think show full screen still does it. Actually, yeah, it still does it even in full screen. For a second I thought it would take it off, but it did not. Where did I get full screen again? Oh, show normal. But yeah, I don't understand. This shouldn't happen. It's like my first time using Source Filmmaker, and it has to do that. I don't get it. But yeah, even when playing a video, it's just laggy stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. I have nothing really else to do. So yeah.